So, how often do you start up stores? Do you have a timetable, or is it just we found a location?
No, we try and do well. It depends on the stores.
Right.
Ours is, again, we're SBA funded, so it's
Gotta wait for the loan to come in
Gotta wait for
first.
the loan to come in. Gotta wait for, and then really a couple things have to be right. We gotta have A, the money, and definitely B, we gotta have the right location.
Right.
And then C,
Staff. And I mean, you would.
Yeah, promote from within is how you build a team.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
But you also are always recruiting. I mean, we
Always
just took a trip to an unnamed corporate, and he and I are doing the same thing. We're looking at the staff. Is there a personality here?
Oh yeah, you gotta have that person that, number one, they've got to know their product and they've got to know their store and they have to know what they're selling, and then they've got to be friendly. They've got to be out there. You want somebody that's going to make people welcome to your business.
And I sometimes would trade knowledge for an outgoing personality.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the knowledge you can teach.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can train them.
Absolutely.
I mean, you almost want to train them yourself, not the way they learn from somebody else.
Exactly.
But you can't teach someone
to
smile, or someone like her who'll carry everybody's stuff out.
Bingo. We do go out and recruit all the time, but we'll never recruit a manager. We're recruiting somebody to come in and train under our team.
Yeah, I mean, as he probably knows, you make that mistake one time. You bring somebody in that you didn't have 3 to 6 months with at least.
Absolutely.
That relationship doesn't last long.
Not usually.
It's a vetting process. Sure.
Yeah.
Definitely a vetting process.